Learn German for beginners, understanding basic sentence structure. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In our last lesson, we discussed expressing well-being. In this lesson, we'll delve into the fundamental aspects of sentence structure. Parts of a sentence, subject and verb. To construct sentences in German, understanding the subject and verb is crucial. The subject, like ich, I, and the verb, such as I am called, play pivotal roles. The verb generally occupies the second position in a sentence, with the subject on either side. Analyzing sentences. Let's analyze the sentence, Ich heiße Alex Monica. Here, ich is the subject, and heiße is the verb. The conjugation of the verb varies based on the subject. Sentence formation rule. A fundamental rule in German sentence formation is placing the verb in the second position. Exceptions exist, which we'll explore later. Types of questions, W, Fragen. In German, questions starting with W, words like Wer, who or wie, how are known as W Fragen. Analyzing W Fragen. For example, Wer ist das? Who is that? Features Sie as the subject and ist as the verb. The verb remains in the second position. More examples. Explore various W Fragen like Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Or Woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? Noting the consistent placement of the verb. Ja, nein, Fragen. These questions elicit a yes or no response and are known as Ja, nein, Fragen. Analyzing Ja, nein, Fragen. For instance, Haben Sie einen Hund? Do you have a dog? Has Sie as the subject and haben as the verb. Notably, these questions sometimes place the verb first. Exceptions. Examining examples like Ist das Ihr Buch? Is this your book? We find that ist precedes the subject. This is an exception to the typical rule. Practice time. Now, let's apply what we've learned. Rearrange the given sentence parts to form coherent sentences, considering the position of the verb based on the question. Type. Example practice. Sentence, Ich heiße Tom. Answer, Ich heiße Tom, I am called Tom. More practice. Explore additional exercises to solidify your understanding of sentence structure. Conclusion. In summary, German sentence structure involves placing the verb in the second position, with exceptions in certain question types. Practice is key to mastering these nuances. Join us in the next lesson as we further explore the relationship between subjects and verbs.